So we have Dave the Wonder Dog.
There is Dave.
Who is the happiest, most loving dog in the entire world. But there's a song he doesn't like. It's not, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
See, that's fine. Doesn't care about that song.
Skinnamarink-y dinky dink, skinnamarink-y doo. It's not those happy songs. Can you think of any others?
You can sing it. You can sing anything, and he won't react except for one song.
Itsy spider went up the water spout.
Okay, there's not much tape,
But
so.
there's one song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, dear
He gets very upset. Refuses to stay in the house.
Happy birthday to you.
It is the most bizarre thing ever. Okay, thanks, Dave.